Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. I promised I'd share this tag cut macro. So if you go to Corel Draw File Share, go to Files, it'll be right there. Click on it, download it, go back into Corel, go to Windows or go to Tools, Macros. In 2019, it'll be called Scripts. Go to Macro Manager, and there's my tag cut. But if you do not, so just so you could have it, go to load. When you save that file, put it on a thumb drive or somewhere easy to find. There's a tag cut. Just open it, and that's all that to it. It'll put it in here. It'll look like this. I've got a bunch of macros now. There's tag cut. I don't understand focus on columns yet, but I'm going to work on that. And I'm just going to show you the power of this thing. We're going to draw a 2 by 2 inch square, and we're going to put it to the top, and there's several ways to do that. And then we're going to open up tag cuts. It's 2 by 2. We're not going to have a radius. We're just going to build squares. My bed is 40 inches, so I can put 20 2-inch squares there. And I'm going to put 10 down and put create. Now, you could draw that. I have no doubt. But we didn't put a radius on it, so this is part 2 of this series. But what Mr. Brewer has also incorporated this is the cut order. He's got the cut order. So if we take the bottom, sorry about that, the bottom line, and hit the tab key, it cuts the next line next. And then it goes across. I guarantee it's going to cut this thing out quite possibly 50 times faster, 25 times faster than if you cut out individual blocks. And you're only cutting out the one block. So that's how to do it. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.